has vast white racks. The moose has a hard and midnight black hooves. The creature has bronze flap, also called dewlap. It has an extremely short tail. The animal can be black but mostly brown, because that is what people prefer. You should try to research about the moose. The moose is a herbivore. A herbivore doesn't eat meat. The moose's diet is twigs, branches, and leaves, but also it eats marsh plants. So you can see the moose mostly eats plants and branches, but it never eats meat. I think you should research about the moose's diet. The habitat for the moose is in the forest. It always lives on the ground. The moose has to be careful in the forest because of its predators. It always hides from animals and people. The moose is very sneaky because it blends in with the trees. So I think you should research about the moose.